What's up mga Pinoy?
Cheers tayo.
Uy, uy.
Ako, I'm planning to buy something na Oting oras tumatawag ka sa number ko.
Hey. Okay. Hi guys. Wait, what's the intro? Walang intro.
Hi guys!
Go straight to the point. No
Yeah.
intro. Tawakan ka na lang. Hi guys! We're on our way to A2 to buy some snacks for the game because we're gonna watch both games of UP today in the grandstand. Yes. First game is against Makati FC and then second game is against the Hey! Hey! Animo Lasal! Yes! So, we're on our way. Ayun nga, inulit.
1K down.
Buy 1K. Thank you, Ella. Oh! Oh! Pay! Kaya ka.
Ayaw ko.
Maging kaibigan kaibigan kaibigan. Laglaw na kasi magpagaruto. Oy, this is part of the thumbnail.
1, 2, 3. Cheers tayo kasi.
One, two, three. Thank you, Ella. You got the goods. You got the goods.
Sobrang sarap.
What can you say? You got the goods.
I gotta go. So we gotta go.
So we're going now. We're going to the grandstand now because we already got the goods.
Sarap ba yun?
And we're gonna watch the game already, which is at 4 o'clock. And it's currently, I don't know what time is it. What time is it?
Time is it?
Summertime. It's sensation.
Time is it?
Party all night. 3:24. It's currently 3:24. So
Ah, sorry po.
we have a lot of time. Hi. Yeah. But of course, we have to thumbnail first. Hi guys. Laging may hi guys. So nandito na nga kami sa grandstand. Tapos we're gonna watch the 4 o'clock and 6 o'clock game. And then after that, we're gonna go back to our dorms to get some stuff because we're going to Batangas!
Yay!
Yes! So after watching, we're gonna go straight to Batangas. We're gonna enjoy the beach, kinda beach, and then maybe play some pickleball tomorrow. We don't know, but yes. Tapos,
Laro tayo pickleball.
tara. We're gonna go down siguro mga 3:50 or something.
Yeah.
3:50 something. It's currently 3:40, so we have 10 minutes more to tambay here and enjoy the aircon because outside it's gonna be hot. Very hot. And guys, nakita nyo tatlo kami pero nararamdaman nyo yung presence ng dalawa lang. Kasi yung isa medyo may nararamdaman. Diba?
May nararamdam sa
So guys, kahit nakita nyo siya dyan, i-feel nyo yung presence niya kahit hindi nyo ramdam. Kasi nandyan pa rin naman siya guys. Hindi niya lang kaya as of the moment na makipagsabayan sa pagiging rapper namin. Kasi nga, yun nga po, may nararamdaman siya. So you have to bear with her, okay? Because that's the bare minimum. And the We Bear Bears and then the Care Bear. So kayo na bahala. Yun lang
And the
naman.
lay bear.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Oh,
lay
damn.
bear! I like that, I like that. Like the waxing.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, lay bear. And then, oh my gosh, lay down.
Lay down.
That's so cool.
And then lay low.
Oh!
How about J-Lo?
Oh, wait a minute, she has an entry, guys. Let us hear it from Trisha Pastrano.
Layer.
Layers. For like while waiting, we're gonna sing some songs na lang
Na 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 na.
Cause ano nga naman, kausapin lang namin kayo for the whole time, diba?
Ako.
Hey, kalimutan mo na yan. Sige maglibang. Wag ka magpapahibang. Dapat ay tawa lang. Ang problema sa babae, dapat di iniinda. Hayaan mo silang magabot sa'yo, diba? Hindi kita sa down. Kung pumili ka kasi kasamihan kasi na kung magkumang madali. Bawal ang malungkot pare, hindi pwede yan. Sa akin makinig ka pare. Sa panahon ngayon wala nang matinong babae. My day mo.
Nasa my day mo, mag-date ulit tayo dyan sa Friday.
3, 2, di ko kayang
Sinungaling sa'yo. Di ko kaya tulad ng ginagawa mo.
Tara na? Ay! Bye guys! Kayang magsinungaling sa'yo. Di ko kaya.
Oh.
3, 2, 1. Di ko kayang magsinungaling sa'yo. Di ko kaya tulad ng Sorry.
Hi, vlog.
Isabahin niyo ako. Kahit gaano kaaga. Okay lang. Kahit anong oras. Basta isama mo ako. Manonood ako. Panats!
Kuya, yung 8:30 talaga game natin.
Yung game niyo na maaga, I will go. Need nyo daw manalo kasi yung 12:30 yung pupuntahan ni Fiona.
Ayun nga pala. Sorry.
Kaya,
Puntahan mo na lang daw lahat
oh,
yun.
di ba?
Period. See you 8:30. Whoa! Stabilo.
It's game 2. And time check. Ang ingay ni Ate Simone. Pagod na ako kahit sa lobat na ako. Opo.
Second, before Batangas. Hey, Batangas! Guys na naman yan ah. Subukan mo mag-hi guys ng isang beses yan. Delete.
Hi guys!
Yan. Delete.
Nahiya kami kasi may pro player. Ate Jill,
Hindi mo kilala niya.
say hi to the vlog.
Oh my gosh! Alam mo, I'm planning to buy something like that. Kasi yung friends ko may ganyan.
Tapos mag-vlog ka every flight. Ate Simone, mag-hi ka. Hi.
What's that? Is that your vlog?
Hi nga.
Hello?
Ay, di pala naka-play, sorry. Wala, ayaw na.
Wala, nasira na!
Late ka pa naman.
It's broken!
Late ka kanina.
Yes, today I am legitimate late.
Uy!
Hindi na makikita yan.
Enjoy!
Ingat po.
Enjoy na
Ingat
galing si
po.
Joshua.
Ang feeling! Bye Ate Jill, ingat! We made it. 2 games down. Now, May tao sa likod niya. 2 games down. Now, Batangas, here we go. Let's go! Joke lang, mag-ayos muna kami ng gamit. In the dorm. Yung electric fan namin, mga...
What time?
Yung electric fan namin, mga ano lang naman naka-on na doon, mga 8 hours. Ganon lang naman siya katagal na doon. So, guys, we're done fixing our things. And now we're back in the car to go get ready to go to Batangas and then...
Ito din kanina, pinapin ako dalawa. Wala naman ako
Replay
ginagawa
tayo guys
sa
kasi hindi
kanya.
yun pwede sa vlog. Hindi yun pwede sa vlog. So, kailangan. Ulit tayo, ha? Guys, we're back in the car after fixing our stuff from the dorm. And then, we're just waiting for Mento. And then, we're gonna leave. We're gonna go to Batangas. Two separate cars for the Philippines. And then, yes, let's go.
Pwede ko ramen yung maliit.
Hi, car number 2. Yes, that was like so, chest out or something.
Sasabihan
Bukas ng alas 7
sa tanging
Mamaya, kailangan natin yung vlog mamaya kasi antukin na tayo mamaya. Tignan mo.
Kailangan ng vlog
Yung
na.
energy natin mamaya, ganun na. So, kailangan na yung vlog. Ngayon, karaoke muna tayo kayo.
So, saan tayo pupunta muna?
Batangas.
Batangas, guys. First stop over muna kami sa Laguna.
Kakain muna kami. Ayun na, ayun. Ang pag-ibig ko'y di babago. Itaga mo sa bato.
Dumaan man ang
Maraming Pasko. Ikaw pa rin.
ikaw pa rin.
Ang buhay ko. Joe,
Digimon!
hindi na tayo pwede. Move on din pag may time.
Sino po yan po? Sino po? Caught on cam ka ha?
Lock in tayo, lock in.
Caught on cam si Josh.
Lock in tayo ngayon, bawal tayo mag-ano.
Name drop po.
Wala.
Wala. Wag name drop.
Cut nyo na, Nikki. Cut mo
Okay,
na
cut
yun.
na.
Cut.
Cut it!
It's you. It's you.
My favorite. My favorite.
Pero alam mo pag mag-isa ako nagdadrive,
Ano?
tahimik ko lang.
Eh?
Kasi inahayaan ko lang music mag-ano.
Ano? Feel na feel mo yung music. Ganyan. Emoji. Ganyan si Josh,
Me
guys.
time nga. Me time kasi pag ano. Eh, araw-araw pa. Hindi naman araw, pero every time kasi magdadrive ako gabi.
Pauwi ka, diba?
Oo,
Dinner.
lock mo na?
Babagal lang.
Hindi ko alam. Ba't ako? Kain po. Kamusta po?
Nakahapon ka.
Na para bang
Alam mo yung tapo
tagal
namin?
nagkita. Say hi.
Hi. Pero yung mga tag 20k na
C5.
So, yes, next one.
Tara na, kain na. Hey, are you still there? Good.
Maybe I'm just not better than I haven't tried.
kiss.
Hey.
Ayaw ah.
Yes.
Lang.
Right.
Isang kiss lang. Dali.
Dali na.
Dali na.
Ate,
Isa lang. Isang kiss lang. Oh.
Sa likod ko.
Sakit.
Lagi tuhod ko nga.
Ano, sino mag-order na? Bahala kayo dyan, ako na. Mag-vlog ka muna, please.
I always knew you were the best.
The coolest girl I know. Prettier than all the rest. Just stop off the show. Ito.
I know it's you, you were the best, the coolest girl I know. Hi.
But I'm glad I made it. Let me apologize.
Sa'yo din?
Akin to lahat.
One legaholic. Kumakain kami tayo sa Akasha. Tinasa yung isa niyang pa. Tapos tinuro niya sa akin. One leg, kahulig. Sabi ko, wow, ano yun? Nung una, hinayaan ko pa. Tapos kumain ako. Sabi ko, di ko matiis. Ano yung one leg?
Stretching muna. Before I'll let you go, get a kisses night, baby. Before kami aandar, opo, stretching, stretch.
Aba kasi ng BS.
Yay! Ay! Saan na yun? May kukunin. This is stretch. Bye, Nick! Yan na sila, Nikki.
Kailangan niya mauna. May iwan na naman siya ni Josh eh.
Thanks, Jollibee, for our dinner! Na para bang naglibre si Jollibee. Time check! Sheesh! Ano oras kita aabot?
1 hour 26. 1:30 tayo dadating.
1:30? Okay.
Mga 2 a.m. basically.
Okay. Hi, guys!
Naligaw kami guys. Ito dapat tayo kanino.
Oo. Naligaw-ligaw po kami. Opo. Josh, tumingin-tingin ka naman.
Bago tumingin ako.
Naligaw kami, kaya
Tama lang, sa ilalim tayo. Sa ilalim dapat tayo.
tama. Yun nga. Ayan sila Nikki, oh. Layo na.
Baka kita mo sila Nikki dyan.
Yeah, ayun na. Nag-ano sila Nikki, nag-straight, tas kami nag-left. Tapos, ayun na. Nagkahiwalay-hiwalay. Pero okay naman, kasi
Explore namin yung world.
team.
Kasi pag hindi mo alam yung daan, huwag kang magmabilis. Gets?
Tips from Josh Merino.
Kailangan lagi kayo may ways pag di nyo alam yung daan. Pero wag yung ginagawa ko na may hawak ng cellphone. No drive ha, wag ganon.
Wag ganon, wag!
Wag ganon.
Pilit ka.
Okay, mag-focus muna ng drive si Josh Merino.
Kahit may hawak na cellphone, focus yan.
Yes. Yes!
Be the worst.
Let's see,
Worst
Nikki?
20-minute car ride.
layo na nila Nico.
Awesome.
Sabihin mo hi, Lex.
Hi Lex, this is going to
Sobrang
be
layo
the
na
worst
nila, Nick.
20-minute drive ever.
Nick, we're coming!
Stop over muna tayo. Bili tayo naman.
Go.
So let's go guys, let's buy something.
Hawak.
Hawak?
Yung medyas lang ako.
Medyas lang siya. Thanks, Jollibee!
Tara.
Tara. Nagutom, nauhaw, and whatsoever. So, Bowsers. Stop over! Ano bibilin mo? Red Bull. Stick?
Ice tea pang partner dito sa ano.
Kala ko stick, like, yung ano, yung kape.
Eh?
Ay, alam ko na, Josh.
Ano?
Ito. Oh. Ito daw. Nikki, you want some?
Yeah, sorry.
Oh, cool.
Eh?
Cool, ate.
Kaya nga ate.
Paano yan, te?
Eh?
Pwede patingin. Ah, ganyan.
Tingin lang, walang hawak ah. Huwag mo hawakan.
Aray ko. Ganyan, guys.
You have received 192 pesos. Thank you.
That's so cool.
Thank you. Welcome.
Thank you po.
Thank you ate.
Okay, biyahe na naman. Ilang minutes na naman. Brazilian dance mo na. 2, 3, go! Guys, may baliw. I hope that I could turn back the time to make it all alright. Okay, time check. 1:49. Kasi nag-stop over pa kami, tsaka naligaw-ligaw pa kami, tsaka ang importante safe po kami, opo. Diba?
Kasi pag ako kasama nyo, stop over talaga tayo lagi.
Oo, ayan, may 7-Eleven. Gusto mo stop over ulit?
Oo, lahat ng 7-Eleven pupunta natin. Yun kasi yung road trip natin.
Mga pang fourth na to na stop over.
4 years no call, and girl looking pretty in a hotel bar, and I can't stop.
Can't
Alphamart
stop.
naman,
Stop!
Alphamart.
Alphamart! Fifth stop!
My God.
Alphamart! Bite that tattoo on your shoulder. You be super?
Stay super.
Yay! Seem like it's time to love and believe. Come on!
Only me
Hey!
dancing
Hey!
around.
Hey! 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 Shawty is the itty bitty bitty mo.
Saan ako?
Kalimutan. Ay, hi tita.
Sa likod mo?
Tita.
Sa likod mo?
We made it! Hi,
90 minutes.
Hi, vlog!
Nag-vlog talaga kami from football game. Uy,
Wait,
ano na, Josh?
Dad, stop ba? Hello. Kamusta?
Sila labi nga pa naman.
Hello.
Namumutla na yun. Imagination nila yun. Lagi pa na
talaga ang third line.
Ano na, Josh? What can you say?
Nakuha ko kay mama. Nasara ni mama sa
Puti.
akin.
Pero sabi niyo, tara na kasi.
Tara na.
Sige, matakot.
Oh, okay, stop. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Stop na.
Saan ba tayo, tita?
Ay, dito muna. Can you tapos lipat tayo ng may, yung tutulugan.
Hindi pa tayo dito, tita. Hindi tayo dito.
Jay, close mo. Hindi kasi may nauna na sa amin sa room dyan eh. Dito talaga kasi dahil kaibigan namin yung may-ari.
Tita, ako na yun. Bless po muna kasi ako.
Okay, let's go. Nagagalit. Okay, tara na. Aray, ba't ka nanakit? Ba? Sinaktan ako eh. Parang ewan eh. Putka! LJ, parang.
Pahilawan niyo siya, Ate Trish. Mga matibag.
Uy,
Ganda naman ang bonus, Lugi.
Logi. Aray! Aray! Hello po!
Meron pa ako dyan.
Bless po, tito. Hello po, Coach Jop.
Wala na? Wala na kayo?
Hello po!
Hello!
Hala. Bang, introduce yourself.
kumain na ba kayo, guys?
Di kita. Ah. Uy, wala ka. Sige. Wala ka. Sige. Sige, sige. Hello po. Bata kayo, bata Aray ko. Hello po. Aray ko. Aray ko.
Matitipa ko yan.
Uy, uy. Hala ka. Hala ka. Josh. Josh. Doggy. Ay, Mimi. Ay, chicken baby. Ay, chicken baby. Ay, chicken baby. Josh.
Ako ng aso.
Josh.
Nakita ni Edson yun.
Takot ka rin? Ayaw mo sa aso.
Ay, lobat na. Hindi nyo
Kaya, ay. Nag-charge kasi si Josh. Lobat na si Josh. Promise.
Ella, sugar na. Nagpa-vlog pa si Ella. Say hi to the vlog. Sugaleros and sugaleras.
All in ako.
Hello po.
All in. Ting lang talo
All in, all in, all in. Sheesh! Panalo! Panalo si Coach Job. Guys, lobat na yung cam. I have to say goodbye. See you tomorrow.
We made it. That's the end of the vlog. We made it, period.
Okay, bye. Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Day
Bye!
Good morning guys! Afternoon na pala. Hindi kami nakapag-vlog kanina kasi lobat and nag-church kami. And then kagabi, nagtambay lang kami hanggang umaga. Tapos nag-swimming kami ng umaga. Like, like 5 a.m. Tapos natulog kami. Pagising namin, nag-swimming kami. Tapos napag-isipan ni Tito naman. Island hopping. And ayun. Ito na nga. This is it, guys. This is it, Pansit. You know? Say hi. See you! See you! Bye po! Ayan na, we're leaving. Oh, grabe si LJ ah. So, ready na ba kayo? Walang mahilo. Tita, okay ka lang? Yes! Tita!
Siyempre, kayo kasama ko, kaya okay ako.
Music!
Walang speaker
Walang
kasi.
speaker. Sayang, yun yung kulang.
Where you brought?
Di pa na.
For my money, there was nobody, no one else around me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Me just love me. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100. Don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up. We gon' function. No assumptions.
Anong nangyari for today?
Grabe po yung workout natin for today's video. Una, nag-island hopping kami. And then nag-snorkeling. Snorkeling ba tawag doon? Snorkeling,
Snorkel.
fish feeding. Grabe yung pagod, sobrang pagod. Pero masayang pagod naman siya.
Here.
Nakaka, ng reset and recovery. Recovery.
Alam. Saan tayo pupunta ngayon?
Recovery of 2 hours of sleep. From yesterday, 90 minutes yung game. Tapos, natulog na kami mga alas 7, alas 8. And then nagising 11 a.m. And then diretso na yun, swimming buong araw. Ngayon, we're on our way back to our hotel. Super tired ng mga
Pinoy.
cute. Mga cute.
Ay, mga etoks.
Mga eto.
So we made it na.
Back home, bro.
We're back home. We made it back home and made it back home. Grabe, sunog na sunog ako.
Yo.
I'm feeling, guys. I'm feeling. Tigil na natin to kung ganyan ka lang din naman. So, guys. We're back home. We're back home in the pink house. What can you say about the walk going back home?
Mango shake ko.
It was a chill walk. No?
Relaxing walk.
Yeah. Not really tiring,
Ano yung tayo order ng
but the whole activities, the whole day, that's what made me tired. But still have to be cute, no? Kahit pagod tayo.
F. Brownlee. Twin ni Brownlee.
Justin Brown.
Kamukhang kamukha.
Nangyari siguro pa.
Okay, Coach Chop.
Cravings ko ngayon yung BG. Do you guys have BJ? Can anyone give me a BJ?
Wrong wordings, guys. Wrong wordings.
So clear lang, no? Buko juice.
Buko juice. Malinaw, buko juice.
Buko juice siya.
Buko Diyos.
Pagod.
Bye, vlog.
Balik tayo agad doon eh.
See you later.